are here.
What's going on? Going on? Going on? Into this girl. 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 Going on? Into this girl.
Yeah. On the day, I'm currently looking at some stuff in it. 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 I don't know how late this is, but 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 oh, why? 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 Oh, why? Oh, why? Oh, why? Oh, why? It's echoing for some reason. It'll be fine now, at least. Anyways, let us leave it at that. Currently, looking at the market, and what am I looking for? I have I say I want to go long in it, but the fair value gap is all the way down here on EU. We're in a supply as well. We just run the previous, not previous, but we just run Asia high. So we ran Asia high, and yeah, that's just how it's looking so far. We have news at 9. Yeah, we got news at 9 a.m. So we see how it goes. Let's go back on the daily, bro, and see what's going on. Cause yeah, if I'm gonna go long, we need to see a run below, which we don't have. And I said my bias is pretty much bullish on the day. So yeah, just gonna watch and see. Cause I know we can run all the way up into the zone. Let's just go over what happened during the London session as well. Nothing much happened during London. So we had a high that led to this low, and then we made a shift. So we made a shift right here. So this was a bullish change of character that we made. And yeah, price never came back down. You get me? During London, was there even an entry during London? Not really. So we have this demand, M1 demand, of course. We have buildup of liquidity, minor inducement, but that's all. We then broke above, creating new highs. Price came down. Where did we respect? We respect this imbalance. So you can see we filled the fair value gap right here. And that was pretty much it as we made new highs again. Yeah, bro, we're just bullish on the day with no entry so far. We are in a supply zone, hence, but this can be a smart money trap. We took Asia high, which is okay, but this doesn't mean that we're gonna sell off. Doesn't mean we're gonna sell off, bro. And yeah, I rather trade GU because it's more direct. Like the euro is like it's not one country, bro. You get me? Like the euro is built up of different countries. So compared to GU, it's just a pound dollar in it. And it's just personal preference because I know that with EU, there's more to it fundamentally compared to GU. Like I think GU is easier to follow, being that yo, it's just a pound versus a dollar. Like EU now, it's countries from the Eurozone, like maybe like Germany and those countries, bro. You get me? So yeah, man. Cause where are the link it, bro, about me chat to you after me done the way me I do. So like this. It's ask. Let's actually ask maybe Chat GPT, not even Chat GPT, bro. Let's just ask Google. Yeah, I'm just gonna check on my phone. I'll ask Chat GPT on my phone. Which countries makes up the euro dollar? Okay, thank you. Yeah, you see, bro, like the guy said that yo, the euro is made up of like 20 countries in the European Union. You get me? Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Austria, Portugal, Greece, Ireland, and a few others. And this is what I'm saying, bro. Like, to fundamentally, bro, to track all of this, I think it's a lot compared to like GU, it's just England, bro. Like, it's just Great Britain, The Euro, you have to know what's going on in Germany, in Spain, in Belgium, Italy, bro. Like, it's just too much. You get me? So that's like the main reason I prefer GU from a fundamental perspective. So yeah, we got news at 9 a.m. when like 40 minutes, and then the guy, the ginger ear guy or whatever you want to call him, speaks at 11 a.m. This one even has a star on it, bro. I know madness is gonna happen. Madness is gonna happen, bro. I know madness is gonna happen right there. But yeah, see, sorry, that's just how it is. Mr. Trump. Yeah, we're still looking at EU and GU. Preferably I'm gonna trade EU. No, preferably I'm gonna trade GU. This was a this was a loss I took yesterday on two trades. One was GU and the next one was EU. I split the risk on the trades because I didn't know what else to do, and I was at a dilemma in it. So I just used half risk on both. Yeah. The mistake I made yesterday, bro, I had a bearish bias, but I was trying to call the bottom of the market to go long. I should have just not trade. Should have just not trade, bro. Like, it's that easy. Just sit on my hands, bro. You get me? Nevertheless, bro, it's just a part of the game and you learn as you go along. As long as you're journaling your mistakes and stuff, you should be fine. So yeah, even these discords that I'm in, paid discords, I I don't even use them to be honest. Yarimi and WWE, also Diamond, Diamond Capital, bro. Like these are all my mentors, bro. Everyone knows Yarimi. At least everyone should know. WWE, everyone should know Wakar, Wally, and Alex. That's how the name comes about. And then Diamond, now that's my boy Jillan. Most of you like probably know him, but he's probably not as like famous as Yarimi and Wakar. But yeah, we're in a supply. This supply zone is also invalidating buys because like in a sense from a like market structure perspective, we have a high that led to a low, causing a bearish break. Now price came back into the area in the supply. If we were to continue bearish, we should respect the supply and break this low because that's the last low we created, which is the current low of the day, just below the midnight open. Possibly an opportunity to go short. So, yeah, don't want to get lured in. For me to even enter, bro, I need to see some form of confirmation. So, yeah, we broke above right here, creating a new high. See that price failed to break, and yeah, we need to see a vector candle sweep in order for me to enter. So it's either we're gonna do something like this, where we go above, then we made a shift, change of character like that, and we then induce making the sweep, then another change and we're good. Or maybe a two-leg protocol like this. Then I look to enter. But I need to see price breaking above, change of character, vector candle sweep, and then, or even at least something like this. When we create this high after the sweep, we then go on and do this above, come down, change of character, respecting this area right here, this supply, and then I go short. That's what I look for. So yeah, it's just about playing the waiting game, honestly. Bro, live trading, I'm not used to live trading, but yeah, trying to get used to it though. I'm trying to get used to it, man. I'm gonna post this on IG, bro. Like they say that like whenever you're live trading, it's better like visually you can see your thoughts. You can see how you react and stuff. You can like understand your emotions better, and it holds you accountable, because you know that of course no one is watching now, but like in the future, inshallah, we're gonna have people watching us live in it, and then I have to like know that yo, people is watching, so I can't break my plan in front of hundreds of people. You get me? Yeah, bro, that's just the game, man. That's just how it goes. Yeah, can't break the plan in front of hundreds of people, bro. It's not looking good, bruv. Bro, sometimes I hate posting on IG, bro. I swear I hate doing it. But you gotta do it though. You got to do it, bro. Gotta do what you gotta do in it. It's just the way it is, bro. Telling these geezers to click the link. Bro, you know what? Bro, I really like Falcon, but it's just I wish I could get in, honestly, but I can't, you know? I can't, bro. I can't get in on Falcon just yet. Maybe in the future, I think I will definitely get it, bro. Being a rewired trader must be nice, you know? Okay, just look at this. Starting back on the daily. We broke below. Now we induced the supply. Even better, bro. Yes, some people might say, oh, it's a change of character. But even if it's a switch, price have to come into demand. So do you expect a bearish reaction? You know, and being bullish on the day, why? We swept previous day low. So if you go on H4, this is the previous day low we swept. Is this enough to fuel price all the way higher, bro? Maybe, maybe not. Maybe, maybe not. We have a decision on right here on the 1 hour time frame. And yeah, price is running up right now. It's just if you look on EU, we took Asia high and EU is rejecting. Let's see, bro. Okay, so here we go. We tapped into the supply. First part right there, we tapped the supply. We gave a change of character. M1 change. This is a vector candle reaction. Vector candle sweep. But is this enough? I don't know, bro. You get me? Even though, okay, let's say we have the sweep now, innit? But for price to make a change of character, it's all the way down here. Unless, as I said, I want to see this. This have to be broken. We have to break this high, bro. We have to break the high for me to look to sell. So I need to see a break above because we made a change. We took out early sellers right here into the high, low, internal. These are internal changes, bro. So yeah, man, I can't sell from this. It's not enough for me to sell, and I'm not gonna force it. On the other hand, yeah, they're both reacting from the supply, but I just have to wait, bro. I'm gonna take GU. Of course, I'm gonna take GU. So yeah, we just sit and wait. We have like 28 minutes until the news come out. So yeah, what more can we do, bro? Just sit and wait, yani. Why do I have a bullish bias on the day? I have a bullish bias. We took out this right here, and I expect price to at least come all the way up. You know, not even all the way, bro, but we do have imbalance up there. Yeah. I'm not gonna force a sell. Look, we have imbalance right here on the H4 time frame. Yeah, well, this is not enough. Asia high. Yeah, we took Asia high. Fine. Still not enough. Took Asia high, bro. See, now that we broke above what I want to see now, we have to now make a change right here. So hypothetically now we come down, we made a change of character, then it's just about looking for a fair value gap with these down candles, looking for an imbalance. Let's say we get it on we got on like efficiency out there. I look to enter and we target like that in it. So enter right here. 4 pips up plus. Be realistic. I'd go with five. You know, I'll go with five, bro. 1 to 2 or maybe 1 to 4 on the day with the news that we have. Expecting Mr. Trump to deliver with me. And yeah, something like this would be clean, bro. Will it happen? I don't know. Don't know. But let's see. We play the waiting game, bro. You just have to watch and see. Literally, you have to watch and see. News is so choppy, bro. Yeah, man. Just looking at it. We took Asia high, so we can go bearish. But is it enough, bro? That's the thing. Is this really enough for us? And you're going bearish on the weekly. Yeah, we are bearish. And we took previous week low. That's another thing, bro. Like, these are the stuff, like, bro, like, it's Friday. I do think we're just gonna like close bullish to close the week, cause I don't think we're gonna go lower than this. Like just close bullish on the day to close the week with like the wick, like this being the low. We open, we run above, that's a high, the low, and then we come and close maybe around right here or so. But yeah, Trump coming in, bro. We can close all the way down here. Cause I know this geezer, bro. This geezer always have some, bro. This geezer always have some stuff up his sleeves, bro. Have to wait and see. Streaming is not bad. Listen, I need a camera. That's what I need. That's what I need, bro. So when I'm like switching scenes, let's say I switch to scene two, what's gonna happen? Let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's just frozen. Let's go back to scene one, bro. Yeah, man, scene two. I don't know what's going on in scene two. Someone is moving in or out. I think they're moving. I don't know. We are bullish on the day. No opportunity to go long. Any significant sweep. The only sweep was that we ran Asia low, or just this. We took previous day low and then we reacted. But was there anything else? No, there wasn't. There wasn't anything else, bro. If I want to enter, I'd love to see we sweep like at least these lows in London to at least tap into the Fair Valley gap to go long. And I'm gonna stick to that bias. You get me? But for sells, let's say like a sell scenario, I definitely want to see we making a medium inducement. So we take out this high. We can say, okay, we took out New York session high. What's gonna happen after that? Medium inducement of buy side liquidity. The supply zone would then be a smart money trap. It has to be. So if you run the high, then the zone is a smart money trap, taking out early sellers. And yeah, have the decision all above. News is coming up in like 18 minutes. So we're gonna wait and see, honestly. After news in 18 minutes, bro. I think after, yeah, not even think. I do have to record a video today. Yeah, I think we're about to sweep the high. So let's just watch and see what happens. Definitely think we're gonna run this supply. And this is why we don't enter off the fairest change of character. Because if I entered right, I would have got burned. Right, literally, bro. And I know, I don't know, like, I know some traders got stopped out right here. It's a smart money trap, bro. Literally a smart money trap. And then this one, seeing the eye got taken, they probably use this as an internal sweep. They got taken out as well. Let's go in the Discord and look, bro. I can guarantee you guys got taken out. Looking. How guys selling USDJPY? Who else do we have? USDJPY. Yeah, let's go on. There's not much going on in the Discords. Oh yeah. If you respect the supply then and made a change, because this is a low that led to this high. This low led to this high. If you made a change of character right here, you know, is this enough to go short? And one change below. Maybe, maybe not. Depends. It depends, bro. It really depends. Really depends. But we just have to wait. See, EU is now selling off like crazy. And I think we're gonna have a divergence. This is what I see now. So EU respecting the supply. See now on the M3. This is what we do. We got this shift on the M3 time frame, which is cleaner in it. So we go like this. This is the RIFC, bro. So this is all supply with the imbalance as well. 3 minute supply. If we come above this area, like that would be a short, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm just saying, you get me? So EU respecting, and if we induce on GU, see GU is not gonna induce. Always happens. Always happens, bro. This now is not the valid change. This, bro, this always happens. See, we just made the inducement on this one. See? Okay, so now we have a medium inducement. You get me? We do have a medium inducement. We set the supply. This is now a smart money trap. We can just label it. Let's put it in red. You get me? Smart money trap, taking out early aggressive sellers because most guys are gonna put their stop loss just above this area. Let's say they entered like this. Realistically speaking, they'll have like a 7 or 8 pip stop loss anywhere around this range. They would have gotten taken out right away, immediate drawdown. Let's say they entered where over here, or they entered right here. They got a small reaction. Oh, we're going down. That's what they're probably thinking. You get me? But later, bro, like price was reversed. Take them out the trade. Liquidity, liquidity, bro. It's mad. But yeah, I just have to watch now. Like news in like 12 minutes. Literally, just have to watch how price reacts. Texting one of my brothers right now, innit? Telling him that I'm live. Who the hell is calling me right now? Bro, Chippewa Falls. I don't even know where that is. Hear me and these guys now. Hello? Hello? How are you, John? Do you know who you're talking to, bro? Yeah, these guys hang up, bro. Just wire me the 2 million. Khalas, you get me? Bro, these cameras are so determined, bro. I'm telling you. Like, just wire me the 2 million, bro. On a Friday, make my Friday. Yeah, man. Like, we're just looking at it now because we got the shift on GU, we got the shift on EU. Bearish reaction from the supply. Crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy. If you're gonna buy, we don't see price on these rolls. At least, bro, come back down. You get me? Just have to wait and see. I bet guys are in this EU cell. Let me go back into the supply. I'm into the thing. See, I know, bro. Like EU right there, literally. No, I know guys are gonna be in the cell. You're looking at it. This geezer right here, what is he doing? He bought and he exited right there. This guy, what is he selling? See, EU, a change of character, and they're gonna sell. He's selling from the decision on supply. Maybe he's gonna get taken out. Just maybe. Just maybe, bro. Just maybe. Where is he selling from right here? Price haven't came to his limit as yet, but why would he sell there, bro? It's not bad, innit? But bro, choose like a higher supply. News in 9 minutes, bro. News in 9 minutes. News in 9 minutes. Fed Chair Powell speaks. Let me ask ChatGPT who the hell is Powell, Fed Chair Powell. I know he's some guy in the US economy, but I don't know exactly who he is. Hey, bro, who is Fed Chair Powell in the United States economy system? Okay. Yeah, I want to know how does the Federal Reserve works? Could you please elaborate a bit more or expound for me, please?
Fed has three main jobs. It manages monetary policy, it controls interest rates to keep inflation in check and support employment. It also supervises and regulates banks to ensure the financial system is safe and sound. Plus, it provides financial services, processing payments. It's got a big impact on the economy.
Okay, so do you think the Forex market is run on algorithm or no?
Yeah, the forex market definitely has a big algorithm. A lot of trades is done automated systems that in milliseconds. But there's still a lot of human involvement, especially in decision making. It's kind of a
So who do you think has the most impact on the market? Is it the banks? Is it Trump? Who is actually moving the markets on a daily basis? What do you think matters more when trading? Is it psychology or technical? Okay, so could you put yourself in my shoes now, bro? Personally, for me, I would say that technically I'm okay. Like I understand the market and everything, but psychologically, that's where I'm struggling. Do you have any tips or advice on how to improve on my mindset or improve the mindset so I can be better and have more emotional control when in my trading window and looking to take a trade or manage a trade?
absolute.
How do I practice mindfulness?
Mindfulness can be pretty simple to start with. You can begin with just a few minutes of breathing each day. Find a quiet spot comfortably and just pay attention to your breath, letting the thoughts come and go without judgment. There are also plenty of apps and guided meditations that can help you get started. Over time, helps you build that awareness and it's just
Okay. Do you know ICT or no? Do you think he runs the algorithm or plays a part in it? Okay, bro. Thank you. So, yeah, man. I hope you not hear that rant a while ago. Me and this geezer talking for a second. But yeah, pretty insightful though, innit? He knows ICT. Of course he knows ICT. And yeah, the Fed, yeah, who's the Fed, bro? Like Jerome Powell, as he said, is the current chair of the Federal Reserve. For those of you lot who don't know, and this is basically the central bank of the U.S. Powell plays a huge role in setting monetary policy, controlling interest rates, basically trying to keep the economy stable. So he's a pretty important figure. So yeah, Jerome Powell is the one that like runs the economy in the US, pretty much keeping inflation under control and everything, and keep the currency or the market stable. Pretty straightforward explanation. But yeah, live right now, looking at this chart, and yeah, see, bro, I could have. I'm not gonna take the trade, of course, bro. But yeah, like this is even an opportunity. This is literally like see price fill the gap, and now we're trading off. But am I gonna take it? No. Why I'm not gonna take it? We have news in 2 minutes. We have news in 2 minutes, bro. 2 minutes. And we're gonna see. It's not ideal. Literally, it's not ideal, bro. It's very, very risky to do that. Powell is gonna speak. I don't know what the hell this geezer is gonna say. Then we have the ginger ale guy speaking at 11. This is literally a catalyst to the market moving. And we're gonna see the reactions, bro. But this trade, man, could have been, but am I gonna take it? No. Why? We took Asia high. Yeah, we took Asia high with the medium inducement. We then broke, and this is a small change. Gap filled and trading down. I don't know what Powell is gonna say. My thing is, bro, let's go on funding pips because this is when these guys comes alive. You get me? You lot are gonna see for yourself. Let's go on GU, 5 pip spread. Just watch the joke. We're gonna go on them one. This is when these comes alive, bro. At nine, you're gonna see the spread might open up, bro. I'm telling you, this spread might lift. I'm telling you, spread is at 6 pip. Powell is gonna speak right now. Let's see, man. Looks okay. So Powell spoke. No real movement. The market is pausing, getting a reaction. 10 pips. Look at the spread. Look at the spread. This is what I'm talking about, bro. You see what I'm talking? Look at the fucking spread, bro. Look at the spread. Look at the spread. You see, bro. You see what man saying? Look at the fucking spreads, bro. Look at the spreads. You see what man talking about? That's why we don't take the trade, bro. Literally, fam. And now price is gonna go into my point of interest, and we passed it. Bullish bias on the day. Oh, this is crazy. It's crazy, bro. It's mad. But well, I can't do anything about it, bro. Oh my days. What the bro? Bro, what the hell did Powell said? Did he say he's gonna kill Trump or some shit? Okay, so looking back at it now, we have to do over the analysis. We're in this supply, 15-minute supply. Bro, this guy, I told you these geezers are gonna get taken out, bro. These geezers are gonna get taken out. Literally, fam. Having a bullish bias, and now we're bullish on the day, which was expected. I think we're gonna close bullish as well. And I made the same mistake yesterday. I'm not gonna make the mistake again. They spoke. See, bro, like, not gonna catch a falling knife, honestly. Not gonna catch it, bro. So induce the decisional. Decisional got taken. Let's just remove these, bro. And yeah. M15 decisional taken. We took the extreme as well. Trader definitely looking to sell right here. Would have gotten taken out. Let's just put it in red. War a day. War a day, bro. I'm not gonna try to catch the bottom, bro. The top, I should say. Powell, what the hell did Powell say? I don't get it. See, bro, like I know this was simply an inducement. Simply an inducement, bro. And I'm glad I didn't take the trade live in front of you guys. Literally, live in front of you guys, bro. We took out this, so we removed that. We removed these off the charts. Yeah, man, I made the same mistake yesterday. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it today, bro. I am not gonna make it today. But yeah, it's 9. I'm gonna leave it right here. Honestly, guys, I'm gonna leave it. Why? Because I took a trade yesterday and I had a bearish bias. We got taken out the trade. Didn't follow my bias. Today is the same thing. We're running so bullish. I'm not gonna force it. I expected that we'd have a bullish bias on the day. Why? We took previous day low. This is the liquidity that we're generating. We took the previous day low, and that's why we're getting the reaction. If we go on the weekly, this is what I'm saying, like we have the weekly being bearish, but we're gonna close, and this is gonna be the low, but we're gonna close somewhere up here. That's literally what I said. If you replay the live, previous day low taken, liquidity sweep, and bro, we are gonna close bullish, bro. Well, we can. My friend is asked if there was news. Yeah, he's asking about the news, but yeah, that's literally it, guys. I know we're gonna close bullish on the day, unless Trump comes and changes the thing, but it is what it is. Not even gonna do like these are. I'm not even gonna force it. I'm not trying to call the button, bro. Yeah, it depends on what Donald Trump says the market is gonna react, of course. But yeah, there we have it, guys. No trade taken. Why? Because price gave us what we wanted to see, but the news being a catalyst, we're bullish bias. I wanted to see a run lower to then go higher, but we didn't get that. We got a run lower during Asian, and we've been continuing all day. London continued, New York with the news, we continued higher. So yeah, I'm gonna leave it at this. If I take a trade, I don't know. We'll see how it goes, innit? But for now, it's your boy JB with the live stream. Road to 100k subs. Road to 100k capital. 100k subs soon, but 1,000 subs for this year. December. But yeah, leave it at this. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, which will be Monday morning. So, peace.